Gigantic, it's this. We are back with another video. I need to keep an eye on this guy in case he runs away. How he or she is. I can classify him as the world's largest bird. Not really largest. There are some more birds larger than me. I'm not harming you, I'm just filming. And why is it giving me kind of a look? Can I cut? And where did its legs go? Looks like a chicken, I bet. Terrence! Terrence! Terrence, follow me. I saw a fat bird there.
Huh?
Come on,
I just saw it.
I'm filming it. I want yeah. And I have a question. Where did its legs go? Where did the legs go?
No, I need to take a picture of it.
Yeah, I'm taking a video of it.